All right, for this next question, we're asked what's the most stable resonance structure for this molecule called carbonyl sulfide. This molecule, oxygen has 6 valence electrons, sulfur has 6, and carbon has 4. 6 and 6 and 4 gives me 16 valence electrons to assign. I am told that the carbon is in the middle. I use 4 electrons to get everything tied together. I use the rest to satisfy the valence on the outer atoms. And I have no other electrons to assign. However, this structure, the oxygen and sulfur are happy, but the carbon is not. And so we have 3 choices on how to fix this matter. We can form a triple bond to the oxygen and have a single bond to the sulfur. Or we can form double bonds to both the oxygen and the sulfur. Or we can form a single bond to the oxygen and a triple bond to the sulfur. These are the 3 different resonance structures that we have. And we can go in now and assign formal charges. That's what we need to do in order to determine what the most stable resonance structure is. I went with my green pen here and cut up the structure. And so in the Lewis structure, this oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valence electrons. An oxygen atom has 6. An isolated oxygen atom has 6, and so this has a positive charge in the Lewis structure. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4 in the Lewis structure, and in the from the periodic table, a carbon atom has 4, and so 0 for carbon. And then this sulfur, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 in this Lewis structure. A free sulfur atom has 6, and so this has 1 extra. We'll divide up this middle structure now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for oxygen. Oxygen atom has 6, so no charge on the oxygen. Carbon has 4 from the periodic table. It has 4 here, and then the sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so all the atoms are neutral in this structure. And then finally, so this oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a free oxygen atom has 6, so there's a negative charge on the oxygen. The carbon has no charge, and then the sulfur here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the periodic table it has 6, so there's a shortage by 1. And so we have to decide now what the best Lewis structure, what the most stable one is. And you should remember, if we can generate a structure that has no formal charge, that's the best. The best one has a double bond to the oxygen and a double bond to the sulfur. The worst one here would be this structure, because we put a positive charge on oxygen, and oxygen is an electronegative element that wants electrons, and then this one would be in the middle.